arm on your head.
I'll clip you. What are you doing? Run! Shut up! Stop it, dude. Speech what? Get it on. Get off me! I think I need a cigarette now. I've already got tail. Yeah, 1 minute. Tastes like fish. I've already got tail. That smells so funny.
Crabs don't have tails.
Can I use a dragon's tail? Oh wait, you don't have one.
I thought that was my dog.
Shut up! I love you. I'm not really angry. I really do.
When Barack Obama was giving his speech after being elected as president, he had to do it behind 3 bulletproof doors. I thought that was a bit harsh. So, just because he's black don't mean he's going to shoot anyone.
I'm not happy with you, isn't it?
Why?
All that cut his tail off.
That's so
Sorry.
smoke on it.
Looks like he's got a big... Looks like... What are you doing? Are you videoing? Are you videoing? What's wrong with you?
What?
Oh, everyone! Quiz all back out now.
Yeah.